Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can install Windows Sandbox on your Windows 11. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to go on search and then you just need to write turn Windows features, Windows features on or off, right? You need to select this. Then you need to scroll down until you see Windows Sandbox. So as you can see here, it should be here. And then if you previously did not install Windows Sandbox, what you need to do here is to select it and check mark it and click OK. And then it will automatically install Windows Sandbox to your computer. And after that, you just need to restart your computer and Windows Sandbox will be on your system right here. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.